Hi everyone! I hope this message finds you surrounded by warmth and joy during this wonderful season. As the year draws to a close, I wanted to take a moment to send you a heartfelt Christmas greeting and overall happy holiday greeting. This year has been quite a ride for sure, filled with very busy days spent helping amazing clients like you find their dream homes or make your real estate dreams a reality. The real estate market and mortgage rates have kept us on a roller coaster for sure, but it's been an incredible journey navigating it all together, right? And I've had some personal changes too, like my mom moving in, a big adjustment, but one filled with warmth and love. And like many of us, there have been health issues reminding me of life's precious moments. But amidst the chaos, the simple joys of this season bring immense happiness to all of us. From preparing traditional Vigilia dishes, meaning Christmas Eve dishes like ushka and borscht with my mom, to treasured moments with family, these times are truly special. And I wanted to express my deepest gratitude for your unwavering support and trust throughout the whole year. Your trust in me to assist with one of your life's most important decisions, buying or selling a home, means the world to me and my team. Thank you for being more than just clients, because you are my friends. Your trust and friendship are truly valued. So, wishing you and your loved ones a Christmas and a holiday filled with love, laughter, and beautiful moments. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.